Chinaplas 2026. This is the third and final day. So what's trending in the world of plastics in 2026? Let's go check it out.
Polymer. Just like it, right? And inflate it.
Oh yes. PC.
Yeah, this is PC. This is P.
贴在 PC。
So you put that on. This magnetic thing does it. Easy tear PE film. But this is for like the packaging, right? The one How do you guys sell it? Do you sell it in big rolls or do you sell them like this?
Big rolls。
Big rolls, right? How big?
什么？
洗涤量是多少
起订量？500公斤。
？500公斤。
500公斤
OK, 500 kilograms.
500
Kilogram.
kg。
How many meters is that?
多少米？500公斤。
差不多2万米。
2万米，就20,000 meters。
For one product,
一个产
一
品
个卷大概是4000米。
啊，4000米，一个卷4000米。
4,000
meters.
然后2万米的话是一个规格，一个规格是吗？
对对对。
It was like 20 GP?
Yeah,
20.
20,000.
But you can't
20,000.
consolidate. Can you consolidate?
Yes, you can.
看电烧。
That will fill up a container.
那一个柜一个小柜里面可以装多少
一个
米？
小柜是什么意思？就是说一条货柜20吨的，20吨的大概
20次的。
我算一下。
230。
So that's like 233 rolls. Right? Look, this is you. And this is
This is
Flooring.
foam board.
this is foam board.
Foam
Right?
board, yeah, foam board.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It feels heavier.
Texture. We can do soft touch, matte,
Oh,
super
okay.
matte. Yeah. So based on
We're a trade company.
your trading company,
Yeah.
exporting to Russia, Indonesia, and
Ghana.
Ghana.
West
Okay.
Africa. The designs are like you can customize designs. These are like the So 0.1, that's the thickness, right?
Yeah.
so we have fiber texture.
Are they like scratch resistant?
Yeah.
Water resistant, of course, definitely.
Yeah.
But scratch resistant?
With your special requirement, then
You can do it.
yeah.
大力士。
With the outdoor product, we provide 10 years guarantee.
Warranty.
OK。
这个就是地板的彩膜，它只有7个丝，因为它上面还要再线贴一个耐磨层，所以它上面是没有第二层工艺的。
这个知道。
对，
这个就是做
地板的
地板
SPC、LVT、WPC。
This is made by coffee.
This one is coffee.
Yeah,
yes.
this is made by Lignin.
Ah, OK.
Lignin coffee.
Is there a big difference?
Yes, of course.
What's the
And
difference?
it's well cheaper.
But
This
both
is cheaper.
biodegradable, compostable.
Yes.
How many days?
How
How
many?
many days?
How many
to
days?
biodegrade or compostable?
Actually, it's limited. We have to get the high temperature, and we have got the
90 days?
工业堆肥。
90 days?
Yes,
Industrial
yes,
compost.
yes.
Industrial
composting.
compostable. Okay.
Yes.
So how much cheaper is this one from coffee?
This one is about 10,000, and this one will be 4,000.
That's
Oh,
like
50%. More than 50%.
Much cheaper.
Okay.
a lot more cheaper.
Coffee.
This is coffee, right?
It's coffee.
Yeah,
Coffee.
because you can fill
So can you make from
Yes.
lignin.
lignin?
Yes, legally is this.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Okay.
So how is it? Because usually if you put this into the
Hot
water,
coffee,
hot
yeah.
water, it's gonna become soft. And what about this one?
It will be not soft.
Not as soft.
Yes, it will be harder.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But it's also coffee, right?
Yes, like
So
coffee.
you add coffee.
No. This
No.
one didn't have coffee.
No?
Lignin.
Yeah, because
It
you can
smells like
feel.
coffee.
No. It's just maybe it's from the sugar smell.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. Yes,
甘蔗
sugar cane.
甘蔗渣。甘蔗渣。
Because coffee, you can feel it's rough.
Yeah.
Yes, this
yeah.
is rough, but this is smooth.
Oh, okay. You sell the material, right?
Yes,
For
we
production.
sell the raw material.
Okay.
Actually, you don't sell
So you
the
don't
finished
we
you
product.
don't
sell this.
produce.
We-
Okay.
So all these are the same material, lignin.
No, it's lignin and PBAT.
Okay.
And this is lignin and PHA.
PHA and PHA, yeah.
This is lignin and PLA and PBS.
So if you want to sell any of these things, what is your MOQ? MOQ, it's like
MOQ 1 ton.
1 ton.
1 ton per ton. Okay. One type, yeah.
Yes,
One
one
type,
ton.
One
one
type,
ton.
1 ton.
The
And how much is that?
It's for 4,000
$4,000 or RMB?
RMB.
RMB.
4,000. It's cheap.
Yeah, that's like what?
So what's your product?
We
Well,
actually do the finished product. We
Yeah,
sell them.
we're buying already these
Finished
products,
Okay.
but our manufacturers who are making this product, sometimes our clients need different materials, so we can suggest different materials to our
Yes,
manufacturers,
yes,
our
it's-
partners.
It's our new product.
Yeah.
It's a raw material and it's bio-based.
So
Very-
in terms of eco-friendly,
Yes,
if we
eco-friendly.
if we compare to
Oil-based.
You like
PLA, PBS,
Mm-hmm.
you have a mixture here, right? PBS
Yes,
here, PLA
yes.
also mixture.
Yes, mixture.
Right, you
It's like
mix.
CPA?
Okay. So if you compare it to ganjaja, like this one, what would be more eco-friendly?
This is the legally is
Higher.
higher, and it will be strong.
Oh,
Yes,
stronger.
yes, yes,
Heavy
stronger.
duty, right? Yeah, this one is pretty strong.
Yeah, feels strong. Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot strong.
Yeah.
70%, 70% off.
对他们刚刚
这是
说了。
七是什么？7%是什么？
paper paper，
Oh, okay.
哦
入驻
，OK。
贴列30%。
So you mix it with it?
Wood pulp, wood pulp. ganjaja.
70% paper and 20% legally.
Oh, so you add the lignin to the paper and it becomes so strong,
Yeah,
right?
yes,
Okay, okay.
So liquid
make
is
it-
more like an additive. It's not really like a...
Yes,
Like an
it's
additive.
additive.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Additive for the plastic. Plastic.
But it's plastic additive.
Yes.
Yes. Right. Industrial composting.
Yeah.
Not
which
natural.
country?
Not
which
natural,
country
right?
We have Russia, Central Asia, 中亚、
Indonesia.
俄罗斯、东南亚、
We
非洲
also have factory in Russia.
in
Oh,
Russia.
really?
Yes,
Which city?
Angel is. We have plants in Russia, also in Egypt.
Oh,
Okay,
IG.
okay.
So do you have WeChat?
Yeah, sure.
So this also industrial composting?
This is degradable and it's made by.
You can put it in the ground? And then...
Yes,
Okay.
put in the ground.
So this is lignin also?
Yes, at 10% legally, and
Yeah.
PBAT.
PBAT.
PBAT. Europe, auto.
Yes, we have the not plants,
Not a plant,
not
okay.
plants, but
Because-
we have sales team there.
Okay, because in Europe there are restrictions.
It's high,
Yeah,
very
certification is very high.
没有
Requirement.
那个 catalog.
Catalog?
Okay.
This one, yeah.
And you can send an email if you have any
Okay.
question. You can send an email to
Got
me.
it. Okay.
I'm Xian.
Okay.
Xian.
Huh?
And I will send you.
No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm just
you
thinking
can
about...
Add you? Okay.
yes go through this, and I will send the description of our product. Yeah,
Confirm.
I will send you.
Okay, sure.
I'm trying to think about
Yeah,
sugarcane, right?
yeah.
Sugarcane
And
bag.
corn stalks.
Yeah, corn stock also.
Yeah, so you add that to make it hotter. Because like this one, this is much hotter than this.
Yeah, that's why
This
these
is what
ones melt.
Indonesian customer was complaining about, right? So if you add the lignin,
Yeah. Lignin.
Lignin,
Yes,
it will be
Yeah.
what they want.
It will cheaper and
So you can add lignin to sugarcane, to cornstarch, to everything?
Yes, lot of
Okay.
lot of
So what's the percentage here you add? How much
10%.
lignin?
10%.
10%. And here 7%, right?
Is 30%.
30%.
Yes.
70%
And this,
pulp, wood
this
pulp.
is- and this is 50%.
50%.
Because one problem a lot of clients
Yeah.
talk about is that the biodegradable
Yes.
it's too soft.
So,
You put food in it and it's like
Yes, I can understand, but this one is
this is
strong.
stronger. I
It's
can see
strong.
that it's very strong.
Because Lignin,
so is it like a new product this
yes,
year?
Yes,
Your
yes,
new
it's
product, right?
totally new.
Totally new. Okay.
And it's also very new in the market.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then just we are the first one to produce this kind of
Okay.
product
And it's
legally.
food safe. Right?
Yes, it's food safe.
So you developed it by yourself?
Yes, by ourselves. We
You have
plants.
R&D? R&D?
Yes,
like,
actually we are R&D and
R&D
she's
department.
a doctor.
Oh, PhD.
Yes,
Wow.
PhD.
厉害。
The bottle and glass.
Like normally we can separate the PET and PVC, PPRP, ABS, PET, yeah. Not only by color, but also we can sort by different materials.
So what's the output?
5 channels, normally 1 hour is about 2 tons per hour.
2 tons.
Yeah, 2 tons per hour.
So what if there is dirt? If there is dirt, that is separate the dirt.
Yes.
Largely.
So we have the machines for rice, for different kind of beans, like for beans and for the corn. Yes, corn. Like also we have the different kinds of nuts, like walnuts, peanuts, and pistachio. Like this.
Yeah, but we are a trade company in Shanghai, so we sell to many countries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hope we have some opportunity to work together. Okay, thank you. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.